Just
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glowed.
Alright guys, so just giving you guys like an update because I'm using my phone. I'm trying not to fall asleep, so I'm using it to like listen to music. So I'm not gonna strip that bed because that's what I'm sleeping on tonight. Not gonna change the sheet until tomorrow morning. So yeah, tomorrow morning or in the evening, because I need to wash my hair first before I want to change the sheets. So yeah, I'm not sure if my hair washed tomorrow. And that bed, just to make that up, I have the sheets right there. All of those are like the sheets for the bed, both beds, my blankets, and my bathroom stuff. So yeah, and then I have the curtains to put up. Yeah. Oh yes, guys, we got that kind of curtain rod thing. Yeah, just for that side. I don't have it for the closet. So yeah, so there are the dirty curtains now. So right now I'm gonna tackle the dresser and then move on over to that side. So over there it's gonna start yet. And yeah, that's something. I'm gonna start. My mom don't want me to put the curtains, which are not ironed. Maybe feel lazy, but she said she iron them for me tomorrow. So I'm gonna just pull them up, put them over there so too, and then fix up over here. Yeah. Alright guys, update. So I finished my dresser. So yeah. Hi Shan. Yeah, so I finished my dresser. So that's clean. I'm gonna like do that section right there. So move everything, make a sweep, and then organize. So yeah. Oh yes. So my sister gave me her headboard because we did a block our power. What do you call it? Our plug. Yeah. So I have it in my room now. So yes. That's the update. I'll update you guys when we're done. Oh, by the way, I'm gonna go on my bed after I'm done here, so because I'm tired. So just gonna do that part and then pause, get ready for bed, and then go to bed.
The next day.
Good morning guys. So guys, it is what day is today? It's Wednesday morning. So I started this vlog yesterday, as you guys are gonna see, but I was so tired yesterday. I had to be using my phone to what do you call it? I used the phone to listen to some music because I was so tired. I had to try. We're trying to get this house done because school ended like late, and then I had so much work doing at school, so I wasn't at home to like finish up everything. So we're trying to rush clean this place. So last night when I was cleaning, what I did was to film on my sister's tablet. I was trying to film some things on my sister's tablet, but the quality is not that good, so I didn't start the vlog. So all I did was just give you updates afterwards. So yes, I'm gonna be showing you guys what I did last night and then what I have left to do, and then we're gonna start. Yeah. All right, so guys, this is the updates. Still haven't put up the curtains yet. These I need to wash these. This is still going to wash as well. The bench still supposed to go back to mom. My beds to be made. I need to wash this fan, and I need to fix this entire thing, so the bookshelf, the top, and I need to fix that part. And then this is already fixed, so that's just the rubbish from the room and from my sister's room. So that's where my fan goes. So yes, everything else is fixed. Don't mind my time, I don't want to break up. So alright, so I want to show you guys this from when I went. So I'll show you some of the kids. So I got a birthday gift. I did birthday gift the other day, and I said I wasn't gonna show you guys until I ready to put it on. So this is it. It's a pillow. It's a little knot pillow, you know, decorative pillow. So, and it's yellow, and with that yellow and knot is still up on bed for Christmas. So hey, it's cute. I love it. So yeah, I've been keeping it for this time. And now put it on. clean up my room now.
I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. Oh.
Alright guys, this is what I have so far. I still have quite a few things on the bed. I know the dolls are supposed to be here, and then there's other things better fit here because I don't got no more space. So yeah. Alright guys, so this is the update for up there. I did that part and then I did here. Yeah, can't really do no better, but yeah, I tried my endeavor best. This box has a lot of random stuff in it that you just can't get rid of, but yeah. Anyways, all my candles are right here. Yeah. Now I need to tackle the books area. It's just to neat up because I think I've thrown away all the books that I don't need. So these are books that I think I'm gonna need. Yeah. I'm gonna really use those books, but I can't dash with them. I don't know if I'll do them, but yeah. And then I'm gonna go down to the shoes area. As you see, down there so empty because the other night I was looking close to go to the dinner and go in there and all of my heels them pretty much done for. So I'm gonna take all of them. I got so angry I took all of them and just stashed them in. Same thing with my school shoes them, like they just all needed to go because they were upsetting me. Like me don't need to have them under there. I'm gonna have nothing for wear. It don't make no sense. So pretty much all I have is sneakers and Crocs. Yeah, and two slippers with bow on them. So yeah, as you can see. Blackout curtains the year. Blackout-ish. Yes, this is my curtain now, guys. Yeah, I love me my red curtains. Yeah. Taza. I love it. Yay. And then the white ones are up.
Something from you. You been giving nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something.
Alright guys, so this is the bed. I decided to use like, because the one over there is the one I sleep on, but the other pillow is kind of flatter, so this kind of flatten. I don't want that over here, okay? That'll mess up the shaping of what I want over here. So I'm gonna use a pillow over here for now. When I'm ready to sleep, then I'll just take it off. Yeah, and then put it back every morning. So yes, I use the two Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year over here because they match. So yeah, and I put my little red teddy bear there.
I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. Oh.
Alright guys, so I just got this addition to the room, so I just wanted to show you guys before I post this video. So yes, I got some LED lights because the pepper lights I was planning to put up stopped working. So anyways, they're quite bright actually. You can actually dull them though. So yes, that's it, very dull. So like sleeping mode, and then this is like regular mode, so you know you can even read a book or something. And it changes color, so it can go in red, can also go in blue, and then it can go in this that it calls white. It's not white to me, but I guess it's not as, it uses all the colors. I get that's why I call it white. But yes, those are the colors. And it has different modes. I think this is what, flash, so it shows all the colors. And then this is strode, this one is strode. And then we have fade, so it fades the colors into the other. And then we got smooth. So yeah, but I prefer to just keep it on like a color, and right now I have it on green because you know my theme, you know, you see the theme of the room. So yeah, all right guys, so thanks again so much for watching my little room makeover. I really enjoyed making this video because I love to decorate. Oh yes guys, I got this for my Christmas. It's Christmas day, so I can show you what I got for Christmas. I'm gonna do a video of what I got for Christmas. So I got this from my sister for Christmas. It's a yellow unicorn, so it's so cute. Anyways, not the video for it. So thanks guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.